Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Take a sip of kilig dahil makakasama natin at gumaganap bilang si Ace Nobleza sa Kapusong romcom series na Heartful Café as he takes on his first primetime series as a lead actor. He hopes to show that there's more to him than his good looks and toned physique. Mga kapuso, joining us for today's Biztalk is an entrepreneur, social media influencer, model, actor, and Kapuso Chinito heartthrob, David Licauco! Masantos si Kapusong David and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV!
Hi Ara, masantos ya kabosan sa inyong mga kapuso natin dyan. Kamusta naman kayo?
Wow! Napakaganda ng umaga! Happy Monday! Kamusta ka, David? And what is your favorite way of spending your morning?
Okay naman ako. I start my mornings by first I eat and drink my favorite milk. And then after that, I work out and I meditate.
Wow! Very, very busy rin talaga ang morning mo. And speaking of that, from cutie to hunky, you're very much into your goal of achieving your desired physique. Ano ba yung daily fitness routine mo, David?
My daily fitness routine. Well, to be honest with you, medyo mahirap yung sa akin. Siguro I work out actually twice a day. I would start by doing cardio. Siguro I would run around my village or like I'll do elliptical. And then I would mag-weights. Tapos yung weights ko hindi lang traditional na buhat-buhat. It's more of talagang functional. Kumbaga patayan. Ganun.
Let's talk about Heartful Café. Marami nga ang kinikilig sa karakter mo dito. What excites you about portraying the character of Ace sa proyektong ito?
Well, actually sobrang saya ng teleserye na to. Kasi before akala ko okay na akong umarte. I mean, I wouldn't say na magaling akong umarte dati. I would say na okay lang, pwede na. Pero because of this teleserye, like my acting coach, my director, si Mark De La Cruz, talagang he pushed me to the limits of my capabilities of being an actor. Talagang ang dami kong tutunan, mas naging comfortable ako when it comes to acting. And so, ayun. At saka, ang ganda kasi talaga ng teleserye, very light, very nakakakilig. Kahit ako, kinikilig din ako eh. So, ano mo yun, talagang I just can't wait for like the Filipinos, so mga kapuso natin na masubaybayan nila yung pinaghirapan namin the past few months.
Nako, talagang kinikilig at sobrang kilig nga naman dahil napapanood ko nga kayo. Pero tanong na rin namin, David, ha? How similar or different are you from your character in Heartful Café?
Well, honestly, medyo same eh. Actually, very the same. Kasi bago kami mag-taping, kinausap ako ng writer. They spoke to me regarding my likes and dislikes sa life. So, they asked me what I do, how I talk to girls, kung paano ako mangligaw sa mga gusto kong babae. So, medyo same, honestly. So, it wasn't as hard for me to, get into the character.
Lastly, anong mensahe ang gusto mong iparating sa mga taga-subaybay ng Heartful Café and saan ka ba namin pwedeng i-follow?
Sa mga kapuso natin, masantos yakabosan ulit. Sana supportahan nyo yung Heartful Café. It's after first yaya, 8:50 PM po yan, syempre sa GMA. Saka kung gusto nyo akong i-follow, it's at David Licauco. Across all the social media, search na lang at David Licauco. So, ayun, salamat Thank you for having me here, mga kapuso, at I hope that you guys are safe and alagaan niyo yung mga sarili niyo.
Thank you very much, David! Ingat and have a great day!
Have a great day also, Ara. Thank you again. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you! Tutok lang mga kapuso, magbabalik ka ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.